morning, Willard Wildcats. Happy Wednesday, December 16th. Wildcats, we don't have any birthdays to celebrate today, but we are going to read a book by Bruce McMillan called Mouse Views, What the Class Pet Saw. Now, right now you're in virtual classrooms, but I want you to think about what might be in your classroom if we were in person, or maybe what's in your workspace. And this skill, when you think about what you might see, is called visualizing. The reason why it's important to visualize is because when we visualize, it helps build our comprehension strategies, which means we're better able to understand what we read and make meaning from it. So if you visualize, if you imagine, if you see it in your head, like there's a movie going on in your head as you read, then that helps you to understand what you're reading. So I want you to think about this as to what might be in your virtual classroom, or what is in your space right now, or what a mouse might see if a mouse was in your class. Mouse views, what the class pet saw. And you know, I have a lot of enthusiasm for animals, even mice. They're very cute, I think. Mouse views, what the class pet saw. Someone left the mouse house open. Our class pet saw, can you tell what these are? They look like rulers. One time I had a gerbil in my classroom and the gerbil got out and we had to catch the gerbil the next morning. The gerbil's name was Ralph. And I'm curious to know if you can figure out what character and what book we as a class named him after. Rulers, question mark. And look at these. What are these? Did you say pencil erasers? If you did, now what are these? Can you tell what this is? Piano keys. And then what's this? Balls. Can you tell what these are? They're blocks. Can you tell what this is? Those are lunch trays, which we use recyclable ones now. Can you tell what these are? Those are scissors. Can you tell what these are? That's paper. Can you tell what this is? It's paintbrushes. What about this? Computer keys. What about this? Books. What about this? That is chalk, which we use dry erase now. And then what's this? Crayons. And us. And then look, here's a map of what the mouse saw. Where the class pet went. So I hope that this book reminds you of the importance of visualizing and how that builds your reading confidence, because we're talking about confidence this month. And the more we read, the more knowledgeable we are. And that's important as IB students. Wildcats, remember, we are safe, respectful, and responsible. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you on Thursday.